Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Honda Accord. Stock number is 18M233A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk now. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have audio, Bluetooth and cruise controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Honda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.